Welcome to my channel and the world of hidden secrets. Today I will take you 45 years back in time to South America and the legendary vessel MS Santos, where I spent 12 months on board. A time where we passed the Panama Channel 8 times and also crossed the Equator 8 times. Which makes me to reveal what could actually happen when you are passing the equator. But also reveal, for all those who have met a captain or a sailor coming back from a ship with their dark rings under their eyes and a tired face, claiming that, oh yeah, it's indeed a challenging life on board with burdened duties and strict rules and so forth. And they are all wrong. They are just bullying. Now you have a chance to experience the true life on board a merchant marine vessel. So stay tuned!
Hello, my name is Rolf and I have the privilege to be chief officer and captain on ships and yachts around the world. My motto is, don't be a tourist. What I'm going to show you are the hidden nooks and corners, the really interesting places for you to visit. And if you like it, please click subscribe. Pirates are all